Pull it up.
See that? Up and then use the right glue.
Hold it up. I got the glue, bro. Where did I put it? Right here.
Take this stuff.
Can you open that code?
What's that?
I'm filming. Gorilla glue. When you look inside of this thing.
You gotta cut it?
Looks good. No, it's just a little sticky. Okay, take the stuff off of here. There you go. You think you should pour that glue right inside that tube instead? Get more. Get some squeeze out.
Yep.
Fill that up, Dad.
A bunch of Gorilla Glue. Now just stick that thing on.
Okay, pull it
These
the
ain't
right
going
way.
nowhere.
There we go.
That's hot glove. That's super fuzzy.
Hey, yo, cheese ain't
Super
going
glue,
nowhere.
Super duper glue. Should be good. Give it a couple casts. Probably ready, bro.